Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to look for calendar app and click on it. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. After that, you need to tap on month above and pick a date. When you're ready, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Choose event and customize it however you want to. For example, over here, add a title, pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always tap on this switcher next to all day instead to disable this feature. Now tap on does not repeat and select one of those options if you wish your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just tap on does not repeat over here. Now you can also add people, videos, choose add location over here, select while using the app or only this time in the pop-up, type in an address and click on the correct one. Now set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, change color of it and even take notes. After that, choose save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to make some changes, you can click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner to edit it, and then type in wherever you wish to, or change. But remember to just save at the top right corner again. If you wish to get rid of your event though, just click on it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner instead, tap on delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!